Okay. Now we are moving on to the filters. I'll take you through different filters. Okay. So, filters. So we already have, these are the various types of filters which we have. So this first one, the extract filter, is available only in the desktop version of Tableau, which we are not working on. We are working on a public version of the desktop of the Tableau. So in our case, we have these filters starting from data source. So data source filter we have already seen, which is available on the data source page. Then we have this context filter, dimension filter, measure filter, quick filter, and date filter. Okay, so these data source filter we have already seen. So the balance ones I will go through now. I'm creating a new sheet. I'm renaming it as dimension filter. Dimension filter. Okay. So dimension filter, right? So which means dimension as a filter. Okay. So let's create some table, some visual, and then we'll see. So I'm saying, say, product subcategory, for example, right? And I'm saying profit. So we're taking one dimension, one measure, and I'm automatically getting this visual, right, which is a bar chart. Now, dimension filter would mean that I want to create a dimension filter of a dimension. So any of these dimensions I can use to create a filter. Okay, any of these dimensions I can use to create a filter. So now I am using, see, this product category, for example, to as a filter. Okay. So what I do is, so if I have to create a particular filter, I just take that. Say I want to use product category to create a filter for product category. I drag this product category to the filters area and just release this, and a window gets opened for me. And this window, if you look at, so these had four options: general, wildcard, condition, and top. General, wildcard, condition, and top. So here you have an option of creating. It allows you to create four different types of filters. Okay, so we'll look at them one by one. So we are talking of a dimension filter, and then we are talking of four different types of filters within dimension filter, which is general, wildcard, condition, and top. Okay, general is like a list filter. So you have this option. So here I am selecting all, right? I am selecting all. Okay, and I'm just saying apply. Okay, so now you see there's a pill which has appeared here. Now you see that we have created a filter which is named product category. We have created product category as a filter, and it's appearing here, right? Once I say apply, it appears here. Okay, now I can choose to, right now this filter is not visible to me on the screen, right? So if I choose to say right click on this product category and I say show filter, you will see on the right side of your screen, this filter is visible to you now, right? On the right side of the screen, this filter is visible to you now, right? And maybe you can swap this visual by clicking on this swap, right? Now the filter, now what has happened is that this is a visual which consists of the subcategories and the profit, and you have created a filter from the product category, right, which has three categories: furniture, office supply, and technology. So you can now navigate this filter by, say, clicking only on furniture, for example. Okay, so I just deselect everything. Now what we are seeing here is that it's showing you subcategories data corresponding to the filter furniture, where you are able to see the profit for the furniture as a subcategory. Furniture as a category, the subcategories of the furniture. So the four subcategories in furniture are bookcase, chairs and mats, office and furnishing, and tables. So under furniture category, maximum profit has been accrued by tables. Minimum has been accrued by office furnishings. Okay, so this is how filter works. So if I deselect furniture, I select office supplies. Now it's showing me the office supplies subcategory for office supplies. So appliances, binders and binders, envelopes, labels, papers, pens and artists, rubber bands, scissors, storage and organization. So these are all the sales subcategories of the office sales. And if I deselect this, I select this technology. Now this is corresponding to the technology subcategory. Subcategories of the technology. So computer peripheral, copiers and fax, office machines and telephones. So in this category technology, you have the maximum sales profit coming from telephones and communication equipment. If I say all, you are able to see the all the data. Similarly, I can I can create a new filter. So I for example, I just remove this product category, right? I take say ship mode as a filter. I've taken ship mode as a filter. Now these are the options which we have. So we have ship mode, delivery truck, express air and regular air. I say apply, okay, right? Now this is appearing here, but I don't have a navigation widget as of now. So to see that, I click on ship mode. I say show filter, and that's visible on the right. Now, if I say delivery truck, okay, if I say select delivery truck, so this is what it means, that these are the products which were delivered by delivery truck, right? And these are these are the sales. These are the profit corresponding to the products delivered by the delivery truck. Okay. If I say express air, so these are the products which were shipped by express air. If I say regular air, then these were the products shipped by regular air. So you can actually filter. So we have created this visual by with product subcategory and profit, but I can filter it on any third dimension. Okay, so I can do it for say customer segment. Now customer segment has these four options. Apply, okay. Now if I can show this filter, right? I get these options. So now if I say consumer, now this corresponds to the consumer segment sales, this and the profit. This corresponds to the consumer and corporate both. This is only corporate. This is a corporate sale to the corporate clients as per the customer segment, and this is to all. List filter. So we have done this edit filter. If I say edit filter, it will show me the filter which we created. Okay, okay, it's let. So if I have to clear the filter, I just go to this and clear filter. So the filter gets removed. Okay, I go back to the original data, the way it's between subcategory and sum profit. On the x-axis it's subcategory, on the y-axis profit. Okay, so this is one way. The other way of creating a filter would be, so I just drag say product category, for example, again, right, to the filter, and this time I'm not choosing general, I'm not choosing the list, I'm choosing the wildcard option. I'm choosing the wildcard option, wherein I'm saying match value say a. Okay, I'm saying match value a, and I'm saying contains, I'm selecting contains. Okay, and I'm saying apply. Okay, right. Now I'm saying this product category, we are saying a show filter. Okay, so I say app, Okay, so just notice this thing that I'm so now this is a search option, search bar which I'm getting here, and so if I the my this visual my graph is between product subcategory and profit, but I'm filtering it on a third filter which is product category, and this search bar would work on that product category, right? If I so for fu is now it's giving me the furniture, the corresponding subcategories. Okay, so in product category we have three options. In product category we have three options: furniture, office supply, and telecom equipment. So if I say T here, then it's showing me the technology component, technology, the subcategory, product category corresponding to technology. Okay, I can remove this product category filter from here. I can drag, I can create a filter from product subcategory itself. So if I say product subcategory, right, and I say wildcard, I say starts with say A, okay, contains A. So wherever A is contained, it'll apply, okay, right. I say show filter, I say A, I have to press enter. It's showing me all the categories where we have A. Now if I say Z, okay, it's only showing me storage and organization because Z is appearing only in this word storage and organization. Okay, if I say T, so it is searching all the words in product subcategory which has T, right, and it is giving me the output of the words which have T here. So if you look at each of this entry on the x-axis, everyone has each one of has T there. Okay, if I say P for example, so it's searching for that, it's searching for that presence of P. So if I say P, now it's given me all the product subcategories which have P in their word, in their text. And now I am using this condition option. Okay, condition and by field. Okay, so we are saying that we want to filter product subcategory, right, profit wise, right, sum, where your profit is greater than say 5 lakhs, 500,000. Okay, okay. So I'm saying we want to filter product subcategory by way of profit, where profit is more than 5 lakhs. So I say load. So when I say load, it's giving me some values, which means this is filter is correct. I say apply, okay. Now you see, now I'm just dragging profit to tooltip. So just so if you okay, then so if you just now whatever you are seeing is the entries where profit is greater than 5 lakhs. So if you just drag your cursor across each bar, you'll see that the entries here are all corresponding to the figures which are greater than 5 lakhs. Okay, so if I want to change this to say less than 5 lakhs, I say I go to this filter, I say edit filter, and I say I select less than 5 lakhs, for example. Okay, now if I say apply, okay, now you see this has changed. So whatever we are seeing here is corresponding to the profit less than 5 lakhs. So if you have to edit, if you have to see this filter again, edit filter, so you will get this. This is a condition filter. We are saying by field, we can say profit. So you can do this on any other field also. So I can say I want to look at, say, for example, sales amount. Right? I want to filter profit based on sale amount. Right? We can also say that. Okay, profit where sale amount is less than 5 lakhs. Okay, apply. To see the sale amount, you will have to drag this sale amount to this tooltip. Just drag this sale amount and release it over the tooltip here. Okay, now in your here you are seeing sales amount. So here every sales is less than 5 lakhs, right? Every sale is less than 5 lakhs. Okay, similarly I can say product subcategory, edit filter. I'm using condition filter and I'm saying sales amount greater than 5 lakhs. Apply. Okay. Now we are seeing all the entries which are corresponding to sale amount greater than 5 lakh. Okay, so we're seeing the profit here, but the sale amount, if you look at the sale amount, it is more than 5 lakhs. Okay, so this is condition filter, and and I'm moving on to the next filter, which is top filter. Okay, so you can create a new sheet, use this because you will have a clear cut idea as to how it's different. Product subcategory here and say profit, swapping this. So this is a basic sheet which we were working on. Now I want to create a filter. I want to create a filter, say, for products using product subcategory, right? And I'm using this top now. I'm using this top filter. Okay. So let's see how this works. So I say by field top. Okay. So now we say only top 5, for example. Enter a value. So I change it to 5. Okay. And by profit, top profit. So I want to see that subcategories by way of top 5 in profit. Okay, top 5 in profit, top 5 profit by sum. Apply. Okay, so now you are seeing only the top 5 sales items. Okay, top 5. This is top 5 profit items. Okay, profit. So these are the 5 items which have given us the maximum profit. So office machines, okay, the telephone and communication equipment have given us a maximum profit. Okay, and copiers and fax are in the 5th number. The second number is office machines. So you can actually rearrange it. Okay, so these are your 5 items in terms of your profit. You can change it to bottom. Say for example, I say edit filter, and we say instead of top, we can say bottom. So now it's showing me bottom 5. Now it will show me bottom 5. Apply. Okay. Now it's showing us the bottom 5 items in the as per the profit. So bottom 5 profit is this. So least profit has happened on rubber bands. Least profit has happened on rubber bands. So it's 4 types of filters in dimension filter. The list filter, the first one, the list filter. The second one, wildcard filter. The third one, condition filter. And the fourth one is a top filter.